Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous videos we have learned about the module concept in Python. So in upcoming videos we will learn about the different inbuilt modules. So till the last video we have seen how to create a module of your own. We were creating the modules and then we were importing the module in our main Python file. In this video we are going to use an inbuilt Python module. So Python provides the DateTime module work with real dates and time. So in Python the date is not a data type, as we have seen the different data types in Python, which were integer, boolean, string, list, tuple, dictionary, all of them. But date is not a data type in Python, but we can work with the date objects by importing the modules. So these are the inbuilt modules. These are the name of the modules: data time, time and calendar. So in this video we will see two of them, which is date time and time. Calendar we will see in the next video. So how to get the current time in Python? So let's see in demo. So this is my DateTime module.python file. So first thing is I need to import the time module to get the current time. So I'm importing the time module here, import time, and I will print here, print. And as you know, once you import the module, you can access all the functionality of this module with the help of the module name. You need to provide your name of module, then dot, and then you can access the attributes of that particular module. So for getting the current time, you need to make use of local time. So local time, let's save this and run now. Let's see what output we get. So see, here we are getting the output as time dot struct time, and here we are getting a tuple, right? This is a tuple as it has the rounded brackets. So first parameter is the year, which is 2022. Second one is the month, so this is the third month. After that the day, so today is 23rd of March 2022, and this is hour, so the time is 10, minute is 8, second is 34, and this parameter or this attribute specifies the day of week. So this is the second day of week, and this is the day of year. So this is 82 day of the year 2022, and this is daylight saving enabled or not, so it has different values. So currently it has the 0 value. So main thing you need to remember here is, so when you are trying to access time dot local time, you will get all the details about that particular date. So now what we want to do, we want to format this time like in a particular format. So how to do this? So first thing you will need to do, time dot local time, you are saying here that you need to pass inside another function time dot asc time, and here we will pass this by using this time dot local time we are getting this particular output. Now we want to format this, so we are making use of this function asc time. Let's save this and run now. So let's see what difference we are getting here. So see, so we are getting it in a formatted way. So today is Wednesday, March 23. This is the time, current time, and this is the year. So it's looking much better now to get the idea of current date, current time. Another thing that we want to see in this video is the date time module. So to get current date and time, we can also make use of date time module. So let's try that also. Let me remove this part. Now we will import date time module, and I will print here, print, make use of the module name DateTime dot DateTime is the function here, and here you can say now to get the details about the current date and time. Let's save this, run now. So see, here you are getting it in a different format, which is 23rd of March 2022. This is the current time. We can import multiple modules also, so let's import both the modules here, date and time, and here I will print it's a time is the name of module, dot asc time. Inside that you need to say time dot local time. Let's save this, run now. So see, you can observe the difference. This is the first module, which is date time. Here you are getting date in this format, and inside the second module, which is the time module, you are getting date in this format, March 23. Then here you are getting in this format. Then time is same here. As you can see, a millisecond are also getting displayed. Here only hour, minute and seconds are getting displayed, but in time you can also see the particular day, which is Wednesday today. So you are able to get the details for this. So when you are required to work on real date and time, you can make use of date and time modules. So that's it in this video. We will cover the calendar module in the next video. Thank you for watching.